Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna go walk you through how to implement the Google app scripts to document your Google Tag Manager all GA4 events just in one click. And if you are the digital marketer or digital analyst that tired of manually documenting what data you're tracking in Google Tag Manager, then this is for you. And I'm gonna go directly to show you the core idea of this app scripts documentation. So let go to Google Tag Manager. Let's do like this. So in my Google Tag Manager, I have let's go to this one where I have the edit um, permission, and I will go to the default workspace. You might not, or might not, yeah, might or might not. And know that in Google Tag Manager we have a feature uh, for notes. So, for example, this one, add to cart. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for the testing purpose. So here you are. If you click on these three dots and you see show notes, and here's the notes for the tag, and this is perfect for documentation. So here, like you can just enter any notes here. So I'm gonna do it like this. I usually put this the trigger for the tag, and this is the most important information. So for this one, I'm gonna just like blah blah blah, um, just testing and put some number here, uh, and then go ahead and save it. So the core idea of this documentation is to um, get the notes for a tag together with other information, and I'm just gonna show you in the minutes. And I'm go ahead and save it. So this is notes for the add to cart um, tag, and I'm gonna go to variable. So in the variable, same there, you can also add notes for any variable. So I'm just gonna do like dot, and let's go to this one. Let's see now. I'm gonna take something with let's see this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this one where there is so this variable is in the purchase event, for example. Here you are. You see one of them is here. And I'm gonna go and pause this one as well. And here, if you click on the show notes here, you're gonna see the same thing as for the tag. So in this variable, you can just add any notes and description you want. I usually do like this parameter description, and then you go ahead and do this one. Mm, testing. And also you can just add the parameter type here as well, like string. To make it easier to transform or extract later, you can also put some special character. For example, this and this. But yeah, your choice. I'm go ahead and I just put it another just for the filter purpose. So here you are. There's one there. Um, and I will go back to the documentation here. Um, so I have just updated the note for one tag and one variable, and the variable is actually yeah, is actually included in two tags, two Google Analytics 4 tags. So I'm gonna do like this. And there's nothing here. And if I, so this is the one click that I mentioned in the YouTube video. So if you click on this one, let's see, this app script will then generate the whole Google Tag Manager with all the columns and information you needed. Um, Imagine to manual document all of this. It can take a lot of times, but there you are, just one click and you've gonna have all this information. So you have the tag name, you have the tag status, if it's pause or if it's live. The trigger for the tag, sometimes you can find a tag have several triggers. So the trigger gonna be in one cell like this. The trigger type here, this is click type. Some of them is custom event type, and so on. The event name, important information. So this event name is yeah, basically just the event names in the tag itself. And event description, let me search for this one which we have added just now. So for example, this tag I have just unpaused tag. So I have unpaused the purchase event and the add to cart event. And so the tag status for those tag are live. Yeah, this is a trigger. Custom event add to cart is the event name. The event description, this is the core idea. So this event description will pull all the notes that you have specified. So here I have specified some notes here is there. And then for this tag there's several parameters. Let's just look at the parameter here just to see. Yeah, so we have three parameters, and here we have three parameters, and the values of the parameters is also here, and the notes for the parameters, which is we have specified here for this variable. And this variable is actually in the two tags. So this is first purchase tag, and one more tag is, I think, is also purchase one, which I just in the testing, and this purchase event is still paused. Yeah. So so here you are. You have all the description for both tags and parameters documented just in one click. So that's how the documentation work for these main reports. We have also list of all parameters here and list of all events here. But let's go ahead and implement the app script. It's gonna be so fast that you don't even notice. Let's jump to it. So if you scroll down to my YouTube video, I have a GitHub link here. Copy it and then just paste it like this. You're gonna see my GitHub project here, and I have a setup guide here for you, really detailed, so you just follow all the steps there as well. I am gonna follow all the step as well, so we can both do that. Let's see. So step one is that you gonna open a blank sheets here. There are two options, and the fastest one is just add it like this in the browser. So I copy and put this like this, and the second one, you know how. It's just open in the traditional way. Here you are. So you have open it, and now step two, open the Google Apps Script Editor in the Google Sheets. Click extension in the top menu, select app script from the drop down, and a new tab will open with app script editor. Let's do that. Extension, app script, and now you see the app script editor in the moment. Here you are. You see a file called code.js here, code.js. And some default text. Select all the existing code and delete it completely. Select all and delete it completely. Paste the GTM automation code from GitHub repository and click save. Let's say go to my GitHub, click on code, yes, copy all of them. Let's just do like this, and then paste this here. I think next step we will save icon and press Ctrl. Yeah, and you can just give your project a name as well. So let's do that. I click the save icon and give a project a name. So GTM documentation for one, something like that. You can rename it whatever you want, like this. And now I have just named my app script. I might as well do this one. Click here, and this doesn't need to be same at the app script name. So, but I do it this way, just to have it the same. Let's look at step 4. In the app script editor, look at service in the left sidebar, click plus icon, and this will open the add service dialog box like this. Yeah, this. So this is basically step 4. And step 5 is add tag manager API. So you're gonna search for tag manager API and add it to the service. So I'm gonna find the tag. Is it here? Add it, and you will see it's here soon in a second. Here you are. Run and authenticate the script. So you're gonna click run in the toolbar and follow this. We will go through it together now. Run, review permission. Just click on the accounts. Here you have some warning. You're gonna continue with advanced. Go to, yeah, I don't know why it's still your untitled project, but you click on that link, and here you select all the permission needed for the app script to run, and then continue. Let's see. Exactly. So now you see the execution started and execution completed. Yes, here you are. And let's see. Return to Google Sheets and refresh the page if needed. I think I don't need it. Look at the menu, top menu, and you see the GTM reports next to the help button. And click to see 2 option. Okay, let go that. Switch back to GTM, and now you see this menu, which was not there before we click on run. Yeah, so just so you know, yeah, here you see the blank space, don't have this. So we go back here and click on this button, and you see two options: configure GTM setting and generate GA4 event tag reports. Because we have not configured the GTM setting, this is the first time we run it, so we need to configure that. If you click on that button, you'll soon see this pop-up where you see the instruction how you're gonna find the account ID, container ID, and workspace ID here. And put this in the box like this and save configuration. Or if you accidentally close the dialog like all other pop-up, then you can always put the value here as well. But I'm gonna put this in this one. Just do it like this then. Uh, then, sorry, here. Next is container ID. And the other one is 47. So save configuration. And this will be written down here as well. And now you have all the IDs. You can just run the GA4, and here you also see what to expect when you generate the report. You gonna generate 3 sheets, and the main one is GTM documentation with all of these columns, and then parameter list and event list. And I will go ahead and do this one. So click on generate GA4 event tag reports. Wait 1 second. Is 3 is already generated, and I click on the main reports, and yeah, just I don't know, 2 seconds. We can already have a comprehensive documentation of what you track in the GA4. No, what you track in your Google Tag Manager. All the GA4 events tag are here, and yeah, with all the information. So tag status, trigger type, and like I already introduced you in the beginning of the video. And yeah, but this is go back to config tag. So this is the workspace 47, which is the default workspace. If I switch to testing, um, now my workspace ID will be 48. Let's just run this 48 workspace, because in this one, I think I have almost all the GA4 events activate instead of pause. So let's run this to see how the GTM documentation updated. So here you see all the tags are paused except the one that we unpaused in the beginning. I'm gonna go to config tag, change this to 48, and then run the generate documentation. Here you are. 1 second. Yes, here you are. Or the tag status are updated. And then you see many event description as I added in the testing workspace. So here you have more of them just to see the example. And same as the parameter description. So it's been updated as well. Let's go back to this one. Yeah, so we already configured the GTM setting. We generate documentation, change the workspace ID if you need it. And step four is you can also schedule automatic updates um, for the documentation by just follow the step here as well. Um, but I think this is already really great to keep track what you are tracking with Google Tag Manager. Especially when you're working with a team. And sometimes it's almost impossible to document all the tracking you have. So this is a great way. The only thing is that um, all the team member, whenever someone creates a new tag, publish a new tag, you need to specify uh, the notes for the tags and for the variable. So yeah, that is the most important thing here to remember. Um, and you know where to find the notes as well. So show notes, and you're gonna write the notes here. Um, yeah. So that's it for today. I hope it's helps. It's helped me. Anyway, so yeah, if you find this helpful, please buy me a coffee. If you're in Sweden, so it's my Swiss number. And if you're international, this is the link as well. And I will be so happy. You're gonna make my day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.